Most AI image generators are great for pretty pictures, but the moment you try to actually work with them, they fall apart. You ask for a layout change, move an object, keep a style consistent, or turn information into a visual, and suddenly you're stuck regenerating images over and over again. That's exactly the gap Dreamina is trying to solve with its new model called Seedream 5.0 Lite. Now let's dive in. Dreamina is ByteDance AI's creative platform, and Seedream 5.0 Lite is designed around something most image models struggle with: understanding intent instead of just reacting to keywords. Instead of guessing what you meant, it tries to execute the logic of your instruction. Let me show you a practical example. Imagine you have a simple spreadsheet showing monthly sales numbers. Normally you would jump into another tool to build charts and graphics. With Seedream 5.0 Lite, you can paste that data and ask for a clean visual dashboard style graphic. The model converts that raw information into a clear chart layout and even restructures it visually so it actually looks like a finished infographic. Another useful workflow is environment changes. Say you have a photo of a product sitting on a messy desk. Instead of generating a completely new image, you can mark the background and tell the system to transform the scene into something like a minimalist studio setup with soft lighting. The product stays consistent while the environment adapts around it. The same logic applies to concept work. For example, if you sketch a rough idea of a futuristic sneaker or a gadget, you can ask the model to transform that rough concept into a realistic product visualization while keeping the original structure. It reads the intention of the drawing rather than replacing it with something random. There's also strong control when editing images. You can select just one area of a design and change it without regenerating everything. If a poster layout needs the headline moved, or if a packaging image needs a total different label color, the model can adjust only that section and keep the rest of the image completely stable. Seedream 5.0 Lite also supports working with multiple references. You can combine different inspiration images and ask the system to generate something that blends their style and composition. Instead of manually recreating a look, the model studies the visual language and applies it automatically. There's one more capability that really stands out: lighting and shadow control through text prompts. Say you start with a flat, lifeless portrait photo. You upload it as a reference image and run image to image to get an initial version. Then you adjust the prompt to explore different moods, prompt for soft studio light, and you get a clear, polished editorial. Add dramatic shadows with high contrast and it turns cinematic. Describe golden hour rays and warm color tones and the whole atmosphere changes completely. Seedream 5.0 Lite responds to each variation while keeping the subject and composition consistent. This lets you build a full series of portrait posters from a single image, each one carrying a different lighting story. Now all of this runs inside Dreamina, where Seedream 5.0 Lite supports high-resolution outputs up to 4K. The main idea here is shifting AI image creation from random generation to guided creation. Instead of fighting the system, you are directing it. And if you like to try it, click the link in the caption, and if you enjoy exploring new AI tools like this, subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of visuals you would create with it. Thanks for watching another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one.